Hello everyone, welcome back to Hawkridge Cocktail Making. This week we're going to do something quite different. We're going to use the Blowing Stone award-winning London Dry Gin for this. So if you don't know, this just won the best London Dry in the country at the World Gin Awards 2021. We're going to make what's called a Wessex Mule. So we always try and make cocktails where you can make them with ingredients that you have in your kitchen. This week we need 50 mils of our gin, we need some lime, we need some strawberries, a good ginger beer, and plenty of ice and some mint as a garnish. Alright, so what we'll do, we'll put the strawberries in a tumbler glass and start by crushing up the strawberries in the bottom of the glass. Make a nice pureed mess in the bottom of the glass, gives it a beautiful strawberry flavour. So lots of ice into the strawberries. Okay, then we'll take 50 mils of the Blowing Stone London Dry over the ice. We'll take a dash of lime, just squeeze it in, and then we top it up with ginger beer. Give it a good stir. And then we garnish it with a sprig of mint. And that is your Wessex Mule.